This is a review of Prosp, an AI-powered tool for LinkedIn and email. Let's break down how it works and what makes it different. Prosp uses AI to personalize every message based on your prospect's data and social activity. It looks at who they are, what they do, and how they talk, then builds custom LinkedIn messages automatically. You can even add voice notes that sound human, not robotic, making cold messages feel more like real conversations. It also comes with a built-in lead finder and enrichment tool. You can pull data like job titles, company names, and LinkedIn URLs directly from your Chrome extension. Once the leads are in, Prosp runs outreach from a single unified inbox, so all your messages across all accounts show up in one place. If you're managing multiple accounts, it offers free residential proxies to keep them safe from LinkedIn restrictions. Every account gets its own rotation setup, which reduces the risk of being flagged or banned. The pricing is simple, $60 a month for one account with discounts if you manage several. You get unlimited personalization, unlimited campaigns, and full access to all features. Prosp is mainly built for agencies and sales teams who care about scale and personalization. It's not lead scraper or a spam bot. It's a tool that tries to automate outreach while keeping it authentic. With that being said, there are a few downsides. The platform focuses only on LinkedIn and email. And on Reddit, some users mention billing issues or risk of account warnings from heavy automation. So while it's powerful, you'll want to use it carefully, especially if you're managing client accounts. Now, if you're looking for a safer way to automate outreach, that's where Salesforge comes in. It handles multi-channel campaigns, email, LinkedIn, and email infrastructure automation, all powered by AI SDRs like Agent Frank. You can use Prosp for testing and Salesforge to scale when you're ready. I made a full video about AI SDR Agent Frank right here, so check it out.